Hey guys, this is Dave, DREBG. This is a live trade at 2:11 p.m. on February 25th, Thursday. I found a spike here in volume on the 5-minute charts on the British pound futures. And I drew in a horizontal line showing us another swing low that was back here earlier this morning. And if I went and drew my fib levels that I've been doing to encompass this spike, which would have been on this candle here, I would see that it would show me that a good place that I might want to get in is right around that 50% retracement level, which is also that blue line, where perhaps we'll find some demand. So I'm going to set the entry here at 52.43 over on the MT4 platform to see what we can come up with. And again, we're going to shoot for this 52, we'll call it 52.83, so an even 40 pips. And we'll see where that might come in at. Right here. So in at 52.43, out at 52.83, 40 pip run up. We'll put the stop somewhere down here, I think. What do we have? 40 pips, so let's say 20 pips back. That would put us maybe at 22, what we said? Yeah, 23, right? 23. So 23 would be right in here. Not bad, I don't mind that. It's below the 78.6 retracement. It's now a 2-to-1 entry, stop loss, target. And we'll see if it gets triggered. It may not. We didn't quite get there. But again, same type of thing here, folks. Find the spike, draw the fib, use the target, set a stop loss, and see if it gets there. If we do start going up a little bit, I may jump in on this trade because we still have a little bit of room, since it's 2-to-1. This may still be an okay entry if we enter a little higher, maybe at 53, somewhere in there. We'll see. So I think there's still some room to make some pips in here, and we'll have to see what's going to happen. This spike, by the way, it's not on the best candle, I know that, but we had this big, huge candle here that was on higher volume. So I'm going to say that this might be a good level for it to come back, have some buying interest around this level, and to keep going up. Again, demo, but I'm thinking that it's still a fairly good move, and we'll see what we get out of it. I'll pause this, and we'll come back later. Thanks. Just a quick update, guys. For those who think that I'm not actually trading this, or I'm not taking these trades, just want to make sure that I showed everyone that I have an entry, a buy limit order here, right at that 152.43. Here's the exit up here at 83, and the stop loss down here at 23. So it looks like it might get triggered. We'll see. But I just wanted to make sure that everyone knew that this wasn't just the TOS platform, but I'm actually taking these trades over on MetaTrader 4. Looks like we're about to get hit. I'm hoping that it's going to trigger and perhaps won't go that much lower, but looks like we're going to be in this, and we'll see where it goes. Thanks. Quick update here, guys. Price action reached my level, but the spread did not. So, and it's only like a 3.1 spread or something like that. And as price action turned on the 1 minute, you'll see here, let me get to it, it hit the target, the entry was here, the limit order was here, but you see the spread between these two red lines. The spread didn't get low enough to hit, and as it turned around, I decided that I wanted to catch this before anything happened. So I'm in at 52.53. I'm actually still going to leave this limit order open because at both levels, money management still works. Still going to leave the stop loss down here, and we're going to see what happens. So I just did half the trade here, and I'll change this order to half the trade, and we'll still be in, but I just didn't want to miss the move if it turns. So just want to give everyone a heads up, and here's the chart on the British pound futures, just showing you what's going on. Okay guys, just a few minutes later, this is a 1 minute chart on MetaTrader 4. Here's my buy limit order. It's about to get filled, I hope. We already went long here, about 9 pips higher, just in case price action was going to turn on us before it got down to this demand level. It looks like we might get filled. Oh, we just did. So now we're in. We get two positions now. They're half the size that the whole position would have been on this limit order. And again, I was concerned that this was going to keep going up here. So we'll pause it, and hopefully this doesn't go too much farther down. It's reaching this support level that we established on the 5-minute from way back here, and also on the pound futures. Here's that level here, and at the 50 retrace of this run-up and this run-up in volume. So we'll see if this 21 EMA on the 5-minute can hold, or if we're going to go through and hit our stop loss somewhere down here at 52.23. And again, you'll see that here at that level. So we'll pause it again, and hopefully we can get something out of this. We're back. It's 246. It looks like we made a turn, as you can see on the futures chart here, right around the 21 EMA. And again, this line of demand that we established earlier, and the 50. On the MetaTrader platform, you can see here that we're in the money on the original entry, and hopefully going to trigger the second entry in the positive territory, because we're still negative, and then hopefully go up and close it out. So hopefully that's what will happen. We may actually end up moving, probably closing one out and then moving the other to maybe +5 or so if price action gets around here, and then letting it close itself out. So that's the plan, and we'll keep you posted. Hey guys, it's 3:12. I'm back. We had some consolidation since that last time when we were here, and I thought we were going to continue. We consolidated a little bit. The 21 EMA here held pretty strongly, and we have this nice candle move here. And this arrow is just a 5-10 EMA cross that I have, so it doesn't really mean a lot. But I like the fact that the 200 EMA is here on the 5-minute, and then that's above where our target is, which is in between these two first fib extensions. If we go back to the MetaTrader platform, oops, my bad. I can find where I put it. There we go. This is the MetaTrader platform where the actual trades are. You'll see this is where our limit order was at 43. This is where I got in at 52, afraid that we were going to have a run-up and I would miss it over here. So we are net long at about, what was that, 47, give or take. So if that's the case, we're still leaving our target up here. Here's the 200 and the two fib extensions. And of course, we're still holding pretty well on this support line that we had assumed and leaving stop loss where it is. That's it for now, and we'll be back soon. Hey guys, it's just before 4 o'clock. Checking on this trade. We have a little bit of consolidation. The target is up here. I'm going to move my first order to close, and then move the second order up to probably... Hey guys, it's 10:04 p.m. Just getting back to finish up that trade from earlier today, as I promised. I had to leave the computer and let the video go, but just to let you know what happened, here's that original trade that we get out of, that we were positive 14 pips, and we were eventually stopped out right around here at +2. Price action did actually revisit this support level that we identified originally, and went right up to the target of where we wanted to be. Ironically enough, had we just left the stop loss where it was down here and let the whole trade ride, it would have gone right to where we wanted it to. But that's all right. It was still a great trade. Plus 16 pips, managed it well, and money management was there. It all seemed to work out all right. So I appreciate you watching, and just quickly, you'll note at the bottom that this was a real trade. There are the order numbers here. Obviously, the pound dollar. The bottom one would be the buy limit order that was placed, and then the two subsequent orders that were placed, one at 52.52, the other at 52.43. And the stop out is where it turns red here for +2 pips. Here's where it was taken. It did happen after 5 o'clock, so there was some swap in there. But all in all, it worked out great, and I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.